Hello friends, so today we will discuss about CMA Foundation. Firstly, I would let you know about some important points. Then later on I will let you know about how much time you should have to invest for each subject. So first discuss some important points. In your exam paper you will get 60% objective and 40% descriptive. Means 60% what? 60% includes MCQ, true and false, fill in the blanks and match the following. For that 60% portion you have to read, as per my opinion, latest scanner. You will, if you don't have a latest scanner, you may find on Amazon. I think Amazon is on Amazon available, so you may go there and order your scanner. So if available with you, then it's okay. Plus module you have to read. I think both the books enough for that 60% portion, and you will complete that 60% portion easily from scanner and module. If you don't have a scanner, then you have to read last attempt question paper available at ICMI website. I will put link in the description, so you will get there. And you have to read MTP, RTP, MCQ compilation, institute head issued. Link will be available on I button, you will get there. And module MCQ, that 60% portion you have to read. If we talk about 40% portion, then you have to read module only. That 40% portion module is enough for you. Don't need to refer scanner and other reference book. As I said, for 60% portion only you have to read scanner, not for that 40% descriptive question. You will get descriptive question in exam from module only, so you have to read that 40% portion from module only. If we talk about how much time you should have to invest for each paper, so I would let you know. For paper number first, mean economics and management, you have to invest 5 to 6 days. You may invest your 3 days for management and 2 days for economics, because management is quite difficult compared to economics, so you have to invest more time in management. If we talk about paper number 2, you have to invest maximum 5 days, because accounting is easy for you. You will get from 11 12 standard, so it is an quite easy topic, so you have to complete within 5 days. If we talk about third paper, that is law and ethics, you have to complete within 4 days, because there are only 3 act in law department, and 30 marks you there for from ethics, so you have to complete within 4 days. If we talk about fourth paper, so you have to invest 4 days in maths. You may get sums and other topics on YouTube, you may find on YouTube, so you can complete within 4 days. And if you talk about state, you can complete within 3 days, because this is not state is comparatively easy, so you may complete within 3 days. So for maths you may search on YouTube, so you will get some important points of maths from YouTube. So overall your foundation can be completed within 21 days maximum. And if we talk about September exam, you are raced with 60 days of your exam, so you may complete all your portion with 3 times. So you may complete within 21 days, and you may revise the entire syllabus within 21 days. So you can able to revise your syllabus 3 times. If you still have a doubt, then let me know in Telegram, so DM me on Telegram, and link is also available of Telegram and Instagram in description.